I'm Jon Larson, Technical Trainer for SED Epiroc USA. Today we're going to be talking about PowerROC T45 and PowerROC T35 daily compressor maintenance. Here we have our separator tank assembly, our sight glass, our oil fill, and down below we have our daily drain. What we're going to do is check and inspect that we have our arrow pointing to the green. That means that we don't have to add or drain. If we do have to add, here we have our fill plug, which we remove with the correct wrench. We add enough oil to fill to get into the green. Keep in mind when you do this to let the machine settle for 5 to 10 minutes before inspecting the level and adding or removing oil. To drain the daily water condensate out of the system, we reach down below, noting the sticker which indicates that we have a plug in the bottom. We'll remove that plug, turn the petcock until oil comes out. The water will separate to the bottom as water is heavier than oil. The water will drain first, then when a small amount of oil comes out, close that up, reinstall the plug. If you need any further information on this, refer to the maintenance manual provided by Epiroc. If you need further assistance from these videos, please go to the website epiroc.us. That's EPIROC.us. Or make note of our toll-free 1-844-437-4262. Or contact your local service center that's by Epiroc or your dealer.